while since I posted anything on YouTube. So I haven't been doing a lot of sewing. But today I'm going to post my opening of Curiosity. It's also been a while since I ordered anything. Actually, I ordered the peach bottom body, and I ended up not really liking it because it's kind of sticky when you put clothes on it. And I sew a lot, and I try on things for my dolls, so that wasn't working for me, so I sold it. And I actually sold it at a loss, so I'm not a scalper. It just didn't work out for me. This box is pretty dirty, so I'm gonna go wash my hands before I take the bag out. Okay, now here she is. I was able to get her because now that Danny's doing the stealth drops, I love it because I'm able to actually get what I want, and I wanted Curiosity for the longest time. And as usual, here's the bell. And her box is going to be the stand, the wig, and a card. I got the Sherry short hair wig, the stand, and the new card. She's also doing the Be Seen with Smart Dolls doll bags. And here she is in all her glory. This is my last purchase for a while because the next one that I want is I want a coffee. I've gotten all the skin colors, or all the vinyl colors, and Curiosity, I wanted her in the cinnamon, but I didn't want to wait. But I do like the tea. It's very pretty. Here's her gorgeous little face. Like the two little tiny cat heads on the bottom of her eyes. And little cat ears on her eyelashes. I love her expression. And the tea vinyl color is really pretty. She's got the Evolve frame. Let me just go ahead and put everything on. I like this short little wig. Makes her look more like a kitty, like a little cat. There she is with her little, with her wig. She's gorgeous. This is definitely my Grail doll for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing my joy.